Got a minute? Let's give your photography a quick boost. Welcome to Focus Bites, 60-second photo tips made simple. Think editing is just slapping on a filter? Let's flip that mindset. Editing isn't where you fix the photo, it's where you finish the vision. Presets and filters are fine, but if you rely on them without knowing why, you're editing on autopilot. Instead, start with a question. What do I want this image to feel like? What story am I trying to tell? What did I see and feel when I pressed that shutter? Then use editing tools to enhance that mood. Brighten to lift the emotion. Desaturate for a quiet, muted tone. Add contrast for punch or tension. Every slider is a storytelling tool. Don't just copy a look, create your own. Editing is part of your voice as a photographer. When you edit with vision, not just trends, you create something that actually connects. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. If you want 5 more ways to improve your photography without spending a penny, watch the full video, link below. Catch you soon.